Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. So recently NVIDIA invited me to their office. I'm one of the very few creators to be invited by NVIDIA and they gave me this DGX Spark box. NVIDIA calls it AI supercomputer. I also shared about this on my LinkedIn because this is a very special moment for me. A lot of you have asked, Abhishek, why is this called AI supercomputer? Of course, this does not look like a huge server and it just comes for 5,000 US dollars. So why is this a supercomputer? In today's video, let's unbox it together. I'll talk about its specifications. I'll talk about its capabilities. And I'll also tell you, as a DevOps engineer, as a developer, what all you can do with this AI supercomputer. So just make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's get started. All right, let's unbox this. So this is the DGX Spark. Surprisingly, it's very compact, especially for what it can do, the AI supercomputer. This is very compact. I can put it on my desk. I can start using this. Now let me talk about the ports that NVIDIA DGX Spark has. So this is the power button. Then you have connectivity for USB, display as well as network. Let's say you want to connect this to your existing workstation, or even if you want to use this as an independent AI workload, you can use this USB port and you can connect the network. But let's say you want to go crazy. One DGX Spark box is definitely good if you are using this as your personal AI assistant. But if you're working on large language model fine tuning, or maybe you're working on a very cool agentic workflow and you want to connect multiple DGX Spark boxes, then you also have the option here. So technically you can connect multiple DGX Spark boxes and even you can build your own AI data center. But yeah, that would be like super cool AI setup. Probably I want to get there sometime, like having multiple DGX boxes and connecting them. Now you might have a question, Abhishek, how do I actually use this? See, one thing, straightforward use case, you can use it as your server, just like how you use your Mac Studio. Just plug it using the USB-C cable, plug it to a display, connect this to your Wi-Fi, configure and get started. Or the other use case, you can actually connect this using SSH to your laptop. Let's say you're away from your workstation, but you still want to work. You can use SSH from your laptop. You can connect to the DGX Spark box and even work from your laptop as well. And your laptop can be anything. It doesn't need to have the AI capability. You don't need to have GPUs on your laptop because it is connected to the DGX Spark box and the compute comes from the DGX Spark box. So the power of DGX Spark from your laptop. Now let's take a look at the hardware specifications. The real reason why this is called AI supercomputer. So DGX Spark comes with Grace Blackwell architecture with integrated GPU as well as CPU. When it comes to CPU, this comes with 20 core ARM processor, the high performance cores. You also get 128 GB unified memory and 1 TB storage. Of course, this is very compact, so you can have it on your workstation. You can just connect it to your desktop and start using it. For advanced configuration, you can also connect it to your Wi-Fi. For initial configuration, you definitely have to connect it to Wi-Fi, configure it, and start using it. Now, most importantly, what about the local models? So you can run up to 200 billion parameter models on this. On one single DGX Spark box, you can run local models up to 200 billion parameters. Let's say you want more, then you can connect multiple DGX Spark boxes. Using the DL Spark configuration, you can go up to 405 billion parameters. So even the top Llama models, the higher end Llama model, which comes with 405 billion parameters, you can also run it on your DGX Spark boxes. If you want to learn further, so they have individual component descriptions as well. What about the GPU configuration, CPU configuration? I'll share the link in the description. You can just go through it. Now let's get to the main point. Something that you all have been waiting for. What you can actually do with the DGX Spark box. I'll talk about some popular use cases. Firstly, as we just discussed, you can run very powerful local models. Now, why would you run local models? Very simple. Let's say you want to keep your setup secure, or you want to get rid of the API billing cycle. If you are using AI on day-to-day basis, instead of using the cloud provider APIs, you can run powerful local models and you can use those models for your day-to-day activities. So this way, it becomes your one-time investment. Second use case. This is for enterprises, especially if you're a startup experimenting with AI. You definitely don't want to use the cloud provider models. You don't want your information to go to the cloud provider APIs. It can be Anthropic, it can be OpenAI. You want to test something or you want to fine tune the models using your own hardware. In those cases, DGX Spark can definitely help you. If one DGX Spark can't help you, you can connect multiple DGX Spark boxes and you can build your enterprise and secure AI. Then the third use case, this has become very popular recently. If you want to run OpenClaw or if you want to run the secure OpenClaw, which is NemoClaw, something that NVIDIA launched during the GTC, then you can run it on the DGX Spark box. Yes, so you can run your personal AI assistant, which is secure, either OpenClaw or NemoClaw, on the DGX Spark box. Once you run your AI assistant, you can connect it with your Telegram, you can connect it with your WhatsApp, and you can work from literally anywhere. So just connect your DGX Spark using NemoClaw, have Telegram installed on your mobile, and you can pass instructions to this through your Telegram or WhatsApp as well. And finally, for building any kind of AI agents or agentic workflows, you can also use the DGX Spark box. It can be for your personal use case or it can be for your enterprise, for your organization that you're working. You can also use the DGX Spark box for it. These are some popular use cases. Of course, even I'm experimenting with DGX Spark. NVIDIA has a playground for DGX Spark. They have learning tutorials as well. I'm learning from them. I'll share the links in the description. If you're interested, you can also learn through those tutorials and the sandbox environment. You might have a question. Abhishek, this is cool, but who is this for? This is for developers. This is for DevOps engineers. This is for cloud engineers. If you are an AI enthusiast, irrespective of the domain that you're working in, this is for you. And where do you get this from? This is the interesting part. You can actually buy DGX Spark in India as well today. I'll leave the marketplace information in the description as well as the pinned comment. If you're interested, just go ahead and grab one. Finally, because I have my hands on this, I'm planning to build a lot of AI tutorials. Now this makes it easy for me. I don't have to rely on the cloud provider or I don't have to rely on the cloud APIs. I'll just start building using DGX Spark. In fact, I'm planning to create a playlist as well. Some popular use cases for cloud engineers, AI enthusiasts. So just keep watching this space for free tutorial and free playlist on the channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'm more than happy to help. See you all in the next video. Take care.